Welcome to this detailed guide on how to order items for pickup at an Amazon pickup station. In this tutorial, you will learn how to efficiently navigate the Amazon website, add your desired product to your cart, and select a convenient pickup location for your delivery. Begin the process by opening your web browser and visiting the Amazon.com website. When the page loads, take a moment to become familiar with the layout and navigation options available on the site. Once you are on the Amazon homepage, locate and click on the cart icon. This is where the items you wish to purchase will be gathered for review before proceeding to checkout. Viewing your cart is an important step as it allows you to ensure that you have selected the correct product and quantity before moving forward with your order. After you have reviewed your cart, the next stage involves selecting the specific product from your list of added items. Carefully check the product details, ensuring that the model, color, size, and any other specifications meet your requirements. This step is critical to make sure that you receive exactly what you intend to order. Take the time necessary to verify each detail so that your pickup experience is smooth and without surprises. Once you have confirmed your selection, the process continues by clicking on the option to proceed to checkout. At this point, you are transitioning from browsing to finalizing your order details. The checkout process guides you through entering your shipping information, payment method, and reviewing your overall order summary. This is where you will also be given the opportunity to modify any details if necessary before finalizing the purchase. After initiating the checkout, you will have an option to see pickup locations available nearby. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer or require the convenience of picking up their order at a designated location instead of having it delivered directly to their home or office. By clicking on the option to see nearby pickup stations, you will be presented with a list of locations that might be most convenient for you. Next, you will select your country of delivery. This ensures that the available pickup options are tailored to your region, as pickup station availability can vary based on geographic location. It is important to choose the correct country so that the options displayed reflect your actual vicinity. Following the selection of your country, the website will display a list of pickup locations near you. Take the time to review these options and consider factors such as distance, operating hours, and any other variables that might affect your ability to pick up the package conveniently. Finally, once you have reviewed the available locations, click on the option that indicates a suitable pickup point where you would like to collect your order. This final selection completes the ordering process for pickup at an Amazon station. You have now successfully navigated through the key steps, and your order is set to be available for pickup at your chosen location. Enjoy the convenience of your Amazon pickup experience.